is a bird. Look at her over there. You saw that? What the freak? What are those birds doing there? There's one bird right there. Why is that bird in there? And there's one right there. There is 2 birds in the airport.
Ladies and gentlemen, American Airlines announces the boarding of flight number 1061, non-stop service to San Juan. All passengers with seat assignment should proceed directly to gate 45 for boarding. Flight 1061 service to San Juan, boarding all passengers at gate number 45.
Well, this is really weird. Why would a bird be in an airport? I don't know. Well, I hope you liked this video. So, bye. This is pretty crazy.